as a miracle tape that can make you look younger instantly. The ads promise results in just seconds, with no pain or irritation, and they make it sound almost too good to be true. But that's exactly the problem. Almost too good to be true usually means you should be cautious. First off, the website for this product just appeared in 2023. While new brands aren't automatically scams, a very recent launch combined with big claims is often a red flag. There's no About Us page, no information about the company behind it, and no verifiable contact details. That lack of transparency makes it hard to trust any of the claims they're making. The promises themselves are over the top. The company claims the tape works instantly and perfectly on every user, but there's no clinical evidence or research to back it up. There are no endorsements from dermatologists, no lab studies, nothing that shows it has been tested or verified. In fact, some of the so-called customer photos they show online appear to have been lifted from other websites, which raises serious questions about authenticity. They also claim thousands of satisfied customers. Yet the product isn't listed on review platforms like Trustpilot, where you'd expect to see independent feedback if the results were real. On the slightly positive side, the product is available on Amazon, which does provide a minimal level of verification. That at least means the product passed some basic safety checks, but it doesn't guarantee the results will match the hype. Another concern is marketing tactics. They use flashy visuals, bold text, and urgent language to create pressure, like suggesting you need to buy now or risk missing out. These kinds of urgency tricks are classic red flags for misleading products. The product's exaggerated claims combined with slick advertising make it clear that the focus is on selling, not actually delivering results. There are also potential safety concerns. Even though it's marketed as safe and non-invasive, applying adhesive tapes or patches to sensitive facial skin could cause irritation, allergic reactions, or even damage if left on too long. People with sensitive skin, eczema, or other dermatological conditions should be especially careful. At the end of the day, while the product might give some temporary cosmetic effects, like slight tightening due to the adhesive, it is not a replacement for proven anti-aging treatments or dermatologist-recommended products. If you're looking for real results, it's always better to stick with products backed by science and verified by experts rather than falling for flashy, too good to be true claims.